Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Constant Contact for branded campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Constant Contact website. Click on the sign up button. Select the free trial option if you want to start with a trial. Fill out the registration form with your email address and password. Click on the Get Started button. Provide your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter your business name in the next field. Choose your country and enter your zip code. Fill in your phone number followed by your company's website, if available. Select your business type from the drop-down menu. Indicate how you heard about Constant Contact. Click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be prompted to add your mailing address for compliance purposes. Ensure all information is correct before proceeding further. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button again. Create your first email list by entering a name for it. Add contacts to your email list by either manually entering them or importing from a file. Click on the Save button once you have entered your contacts. You will be directed to the dashboard after completing the setup. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Campaigns tab to begin creating your branded campaigns. Choose the Create button to start a new campaign. Select the type of campaign you wish to create, such as an email or social post. Follow the prompts to customize your campaign with templates and content. Add your branding elements, including your logo and color scheme. Preview your campaign to ensure everything appears as intended. Once satisfied, click on the Continue button to finalize settings. Schedule your campaign or send it immediately based on your preference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.